Greetings, everybody. So there seems to be a little confusion on key signatures, and I know that I've gone over this once before, but it has been a while, so here's a quick review on how it works. The program I'm using right now is called Finale. This is music notation software. So I've tried to separate it out by key signature just to show you a little bit. So if I've got my treble clef here and my time signature here, see how there's nothing in between it? This is the key of C. This means that all of your notes are going to follow a C scale. Now, just as a reminder, your C scale is just C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So I'm going to leave that up the top just as a reminder. No sharps, no flats, everything natural, okay? When we go into the sharp side, if I have one sharp, you can sit there and think, okay, well, what scale do I know that only has one sharp, and cycle through them and come up with your answer? Or you can use this shortcut. Using your musical alphabet up here and a little bit of musical knowledge, this top sharp it's on the top line. So every good burger deserves fries. It's on the top. It's on the F line, so it's an F sharp, just in case you're a little confused on that. Go up a half step. Go forward one letter in the musical alphabet. So if I say F sharp, here's my F over here. I'm going to go forward G. I'm in the key of G. Okay? So if I change this to have two sharps, just bear with me for a second. I have two sharps in order from left to right. They are F, then C, because that's on the fourth space. F, A, C. See right there? Okay? So I'm going to go to the sharp that is furthest to the right, meaning this C sharp right here. I'm going to go forward one letter in my alphabet, up a half step. So if I have a C, I'm going to go forward. This is the key of D. All right, now this works for your sharps. Your flats are a little bit different. So I'm going to bring this with me and I'm going to scroll down a bit. Okay? With your flats, there's no way other than memorizing to figure out this one. When you only have one flat, it is on the third line, that is B, every good burger. When you only have one flat, it is the key of F. All right, there's no shortcut for this one, but you don't have to memorize a lot. So please just know that one flat is the key of F. With your flats, whoops, wrong tool. There is a separate shortcut. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go, here's flat number 1, that's on the B line. Flat number 2, furthest to the right, is on the E space. So I have a B flat and an E flat. I'm going to find the flat that is last, furthest to the right, and then I'm going to go backwards 1 to the flat immediately before it, and that is a B. This is the key of B flat. I'll do one more with the flats, just so you can see. So I've added a flat, and yes, there is an order to them, which I will go over in another tutorial if we need to. So now I've got 3 flats, B, E, and A. It's really important to say them in order because that's going to help you figure out which one's last and how to go backwards properly. So this one, because an A flat is my flat furthest to the right, the name of my key is E flat. All right? I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Feel free to post them on the stream or a private message. Thanks, guys. Good luck.